Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to tutorial number 10. Today you will learn about cleaning agents. As you know, there are thousands of cleaning agents, but in this training video, we will talk about those agents that are vastly used in hotel, restaurant or resort, by housekeeping department. Why cleanliness is important in hotel. Shining and dazzling atmosphere of any hotel represents its cleanliness and hygiene, which is very much essential to draw the attention of potential guests. Generally, it is the duty of all hotel staffs or departments to maintain cleanliness in the hotel, but the housekeeping department are generally responsible for bringing sparkling and hygienic tone in the hotel. Visit our website hospitalityschool.com to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Why cleaning agents are used in hotel. The regular cleaning process is done in order to remove dust and dirt with the help of cloth, brush, vacuum cleaner. But sometimes dust or dirt could be or stubborn, which make it immovable. To get the best result of cleaning, the cleaning agents are the most effective tools of cleaning process. Cleaning agents are very useful in removing stubborn dirt. Here are the names of some common cleaning agents that are used in cleaning process in every hotel: water, liquid agents, detergents, abrasives, washing soda, polishes. Water. Water is commonly used for cleaning purpose as it is easy to handle and free to use. Water can remove any dust and gives the final touch in cleaning, but pure water is not enough to remove some stubborn dust or dirt. Other cleaning agents also should be used along it for proper cleaning.
Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button. Then log into your Gmail account and click again on the subscribe button.
For cleaning purposes, water is categorized into two types: 1. Soft water, 2. Hard water. Recommendations for using water for cleaning purposes. After rinsing, dirty water must be replaced with fresh water, otherwise it will give a reverse effect by leaving the film of dirt. Always use warm water if you will use soap in water for cleaning. Warm water is being able to liquefy soap or detergent more quickly. Before mixing other cleaning agents with water, check which one go best for particular material. Try to apply soft water for normal cleaning. Hard water has tendency to remain in the cloth or in any materials, therefore, try to avoid it, and if you will use it, then after applying, check carefully the applied area.
Liquid agent.
How liquid agents could be used. Nowadays in hotels or in the housekeeping departments, multi-purpose cleaning agents are getting popularity, which also saves money. Liquid agents could be adulterated with water, or even it could be applied directly in dry cloth. Popular cleaning agents: ammonia, methylated spirits, paraffin, turpentine, vinegar, hydrochloric acid, carbon tetrachloride. Ammonia. Ammonia is a strong chemical compound of one nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Ammonia can easily integrated into water and highly soluble for cleaning. It can reduce the hardness of water and can easily remove lubricant. To get proper cleaning, ammonia should be used in liquid form along with other chemicals. Ammonia should be kept away from bleach, as combination of these two can produce a very hazardous gas. Methylated spirits. Methylated spirits basically resultant from methanol, which is used in manufacturing area. Housekeeping department use this along with other effective substances, methylated spirits, as they are very helpful in removing grease stains, ink, etc. Paraffin. This cleaning liquid agent is widely used in hotels for creating a moisture-proof layer on surfaces. Paraffin is a colorless and odorless liquid, but also can remove lubricant soils. Turpentine is used in cleaning process as a thinner. To make paints clean, turpentine is best. Turpentine is colorless but is strong odor and very much flammable. Cautions must be taken before using it. Many hotels avoid this cleaning agent due to its strong agent. Vinegar. Though vinegar is used as food safeguard in most of the hotels, but it also has the capability to clean chores and remove light bath soil. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is also applied for bathroom cleaning, but it can be very harmful if proper caution has not been taken. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is used for removing stains or cleaning grease.
Detergents.
Detergents are popular for easy application and swift ability for swing dirt and dust. Detergents are available in various objects such as powder, solid soap, soap flakes, liquid form, etc. Detergent contains various elements which make it stronger and useful for bringing best output. Detergents go well with both soft and hard water, but detergents do not work without water. It has to be used with water during cleaning process. Tips for getting perfect cleaning while cleaning with detergents. Detergents should be carefully soluble in water, as detergents are costly, thus right amount of detergents should be used, which is also good for cleaning. Detergents are more effective over a wide range of temperatures, therefore apply it on good temperature. Detergents don't work properly until physical power is applied to the mixture.
Abrasives.
Abrasives are cleaning substances including rotten stone, whiting, powdered pumice, volcanic ash, powdered tin oxide, alumina, sand, wheat bran, emery paper, filtered chalks, nylon mesh, coconut fibers, etc. Abrasives are usually applied on various materials for making it smooth and polish. Different abrasives could be applicable for different use based on the materials to be cleaned and the type of dirt to be removed. How to use abrasives. A. Right abrasives should be applied with right amount. B. For removing stains and dust of plain wood, stone and cement floors, silver, sand, steel wool and glass paper are applied. C. Pumice powder is applied on sinks and bath tubes to clean soils. D. Emery powder or paper provides best result in removing steel tarnish. E. Powdered chalk is an excellent mild abrasive for cleaning white paint. F. Gilder's whiting is suitable for silver polishing.
Washing soda. Washing soda can work as water softener and has the ability to clean drain pipes or stone surfaces. Washing soda could be harmful for some specific surfaces such as wood, paint, fabrics, and brushes, or even for skin. Polishes.
Polishes are used in hotels as last option for cleaning purposes, which are used on various surfaces such as floors, furniture, leather and even metals. Polishes provide a protective and shining covering to the surface in the property along with proper cleanliness. Classifications of polishes: 1. Spirit-based, 2. Oil-based, 3. Water-based. Precautions before using polishes. Polishes should be used systematically as they are expensive. The surface should be completely cleaned before polishing. To make long-lasting and safe the hotel surfaces, right amount of polish is necessary, as extra polish can reduce the life of the surface. Rub off polishes carefully to prevent surface from being slippery and sticky. To maintain the original shine of the hotel property, polishes should be applied carefully as surfaces are already provided with permanent or semi-permanent polishes. The housekeeper should prefer multi-purpose polishes while buying polishes, as polishes are very expensive. That's all for this episode, but please don't go anywhere. You can read 200+ hotel or restaurant management training tutorials and watch some exciting training videos. Have a look. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.